Hello everyone, and I hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you how to install WSL on your Windows machine. So WSL, which is Windows Subsystem for Linux, is a system that enables you to run Linux on your Windows operating system, and it's very easy to install. So let's get right in. So first of all, I'm using a Windows 10 operating system, and I'm sure most of you will be using Windows 11 and upwards. So right, first of all, you need to make sure that you search for 10 on Windows features and on off, and when you just type 10, this is what you see. So when it appears, you need to make sure that you have it here. So when it appears, you need to make sure that you have your virtual machine platform checked, and also you also have your Windows subsystem for Linux also checked. Yeah. So making sure that this will enable you to run your WSL on your machine successfully without any issues, because it's more or less like a different operating system on your machine. And also this is also a service that enables you to run the WSL on your machine. So when you're done, you click OK, and then it will search for the required files. Make sure that you are connected to the internet whilst it is being installed. So after that, it will prompt you to restart your machine, which it will finish installing this. So I'll get right back after I restart my machine. Okay, so after your machine has restarted successfully, as you can see as mine, what you have to do is that you open your command line. You can open it using the terminal here and click on a command prompt here, or you can just go to command line or just type command prompt, right? And then you open your command prompt on your start menu. So when you're done, you just type this command to check if your WSL has been installed successfully after you did that earlier. So WSL hyphen status, which is the command for you to check the status or to check if WSL has been installed successfully. So as you press enter, you will see that this is this tells you that the WSL has been installed successfully, and you can check or run this command, which is WSL update, to update your WSL to the current version. So I will do that here. Sorry, WSL hyphen updates, and then it will install WSL for you. So I'll accept this and then let it install for me. So as we wait for the installation to be done, then we move to the next step. After the updates, now what you have to do is that you have to open Microsoft Store. All right. So I have Microsoft Store down there. You open it and brings this to you. Right. So now when it opens for you, what you have to do is that you have to search for Ubuntu. So you come here and search for Ubuntu. Ubuntu. Okay. So there are a lot of Ubuntu. Just choose this one and then go out. So when it appears, the only thing you have to do is that because you already have WSL installed on your machine, just click on install. Then it will install onto your Windows operating system. So as it loads, it's finished. As it loads, and then you see how it goes. Great. So now your Ubuntu has been installed. So the next thing we have to do is that you just need to open it. So we just click on open, and then it shows this interface where it shows that it's installed. So it will take a few seconds. So let's wait that it's installed. Great. So now, as it's finished installing, it expects you to enter a username for your WSL, since it's a different Linux system on your machine. So what you have to do is just give it a username, and I'll use Larry. And then it will ask you for a password. So use a password, and you enter it again, and then it tells you that you successfully created your or installed your WSL for Linux on your on your Windows machine. So you can see that now it gives you a fair idea of everything about your operating system and what is being used and all that stuff. So with this over here, you can now use all the bash and shell commands as we are going to learn very soon. So for example, ls to see what ls, maybe ls a to see whatever it is. So we go to the home, we go back to see wherever I am. Yes. So as you can see, your Windows release for um your Windows subsystem for Linux is being installed successfully. Additionally, you can also open up your your WSL on a different platform like this terminal. So you see we have command prompt here. You can open it again, but either you come to your settings to see if it is in. But first of all, you need to close it. If you already opened it whilst you're installing it, you need to close it and then open it again. It will open PowerShell first. Just click on the drop down and you see Ubuntu here, which it will open with the Ubuntu command line interface style. So you can see that it's more or less like a feel of Ubuntu.
So thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.